Welcome to Bender, a global company founded in Grünberg, Germany in the 1940s with a focus on making electricity safe. We visited Bender to find out what's so cool about manufacturing. One of Bender's products are their donuts. They use these donuts in all the products that they assemble.
Monitor the flow, I put a donut here. Yeah, this one, yeah.
But what do these donuts do?
Glaze.
I put the donut here, the wire goes through, and now it's going to measure how much current is flowing.
But how precise do these panels have to be?
How much electricity is outside of this panel. So it only takes milliamps to stop a heart. So imagine, we really have to be dialed in to make sure that everything's staying in that panel.
Bender's Marina guards are used to protect people from electrical currents in water. So they protect things like houseboats, Disney rides, the Bellagio fountain in Las Vegas, and actors on movies like Titanic.
Powered on. We apply the voltage. The light lights up. Everything has full power. We have to program the RCMA, which is this little box here.
Then they will hit a reset button to make sure that the flashing light will stop once the current is fixed. Bender also makes hospital operating panels that protect patients and doctors during operations.
Little clamp you put on right there provided a way to get back. So just like, see, electricity, no matter what you do, it's the same thing everywhere. We are sending it here, and then nothing's going to happen until we get the way to come back.
Ensuring precision goes all the way from assembly to testing, including earthquake simulations, is how Bender makes electricity safe. Don't underestimate what's so cool about manufacturing.